If you ever want to create a terrain or site map for your project without any additional plugins, here's how to do it. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep you updated to our new video tutorials. Now, when you're done with your contouring, we will be moving all the contours lines to each of the assigned elevations. For this example, this exterior contour line will be at elevation 0 or ground level, and the rest will be moved to the desired elevations. Start by selecting the contour lines and holding the Control key, while clicking the rest of the contour lines. If you want to deselect a surface, simply release the Control key and hold down the Shift key while clicking. Since we are done with the selection, now, let's group them to have a group copy of the lines and temporarily move the group just right above the lines. Delete the original lines once the group copy has been moved. Additional tips: to select connected lines, triple-click the segment as fast as you can and the entire line will be selected. Then, make a group by right-clicking on the segment. Let's move the contours below back to their original position exactly at elevation 0 to start assigning the contour elevation. Let's edit the group now. And let's move the exterior contour line to 5 meters above the ground. Likewise, let's do the same with the other contour lines. Set the contour lines to 5-meter interval. We have now completed the elevation assignments for all contour lines. As you can see, the contour lines form a terrain, but no surface is visible. Let's exit the group and explode the groups. Select all contour lines and use the Create Sandbox from Contours tool. Click and we're done. Now we have our terrain surface. As you can see, if we click on the generated surface, the entire surface is selected. This means they are on the same surface. To smoothen the surface, simply right-click and select Soften Smooth Edges, and you'll see the triangulated surface, which indicates how smooth the surface is. On the right, click and drag the button to smoothen the surface. To remove unnecessary lines and surfaces, just edit the group, select them, and delete them. When deleting lines, be careful not to damage other surfaces. You can do this by using the smoother button to set it to 0, and you will notice it generates for lines. Now, we can delete the surfaces and edges. Let's improve the terrain by using Paint Bucket tool. Afterward, you can remove the profiles and edges lines by using the style on your right. In the Edit tab, uncheck the Edges and Profiles checkbox. In addition, set the line color to by material rather than all same. This will convert the color of lines in accordance with the material of the surface. Let's add a water surface in front of our terrain to make it more realistic. There you have it, a beautiful terrain without any plugins. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this tutorial.